On Monday night, a home spontaneously exploded in an Arlington, Virginia, neighborhood. Police were initially called to the home after neighbors reported someone firing a flare gun. Around 4:45 p.m. Tuesday, Arlington County, Virginia police were called out to a report of possible shots fired. Once officers got to the scene, they became aware that a man inside the home had fired a flare gun out the window 30 to 40 times. The owner of the home, James Yu, then barricaded himself inside and refused to make contact with police. As a result, they obtained a search warrant, and while attempting to execute it, the suspect fired multiple shots at the officers from inside the home. Then, at 8:45 p.m., an explosion occurred, leveling the entire property. Arlington County Police spokesperson Ashley Savage told NBC News that officials have yet to confirm if there were any deaths. She said the suspect was inside the home during the explosion.
Woo! You know he did.